How cold plunge tubs can enhance your health and performance. Cold plunge tubs have been gaining popularity among athletes, health enthusiasts, and even regular individuals looking to boost their well-being. In this video, we will explore how using cold plunge tubs can enhance your health and performance in various aspects of your life. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest explorations and interesting facts. What are cold plunge tubs? Cold plunge tubs, also known as cold therapy or ice baths, involve immersing your body in chilled water for a certain period of time. The water temperature typically ranges from 50 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. This cold exposure has been found to offer a myriad of benefits for both the body and mind. Health benefits of cold plunge tubs. Muscle recovery. One of the most well-known benefits of cold plunge tubs is their ability to aid in muscle recovery. After intense physical activity, immersion in cold water can help reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. This can speed up the recovery process and allow you to perform better in your next workout session. Improved circulation. Cold water immersion causes your blood vessels to constrict, which can help improve circulation. This enhanced circulation can promote better oxygen and nutrient delivery to your muscles and tissues, leading to improved overall health and performance. Enhanced immune function. Regular exposure to cold water has been linked to a strengthened immune system. Cold plunge tubs may help increase the production of white blood cells and boost your body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Performance benefits of cold plunge tubs. Increased endurance. Cold water immersion has been shown to enhance endurance by improving the body's ability to adapt to stress. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes looking to push their limits and improve their performance. Mental clarity. Cold plunge tubs are not just beneficial for the body, they can also have a positive impact on the mind. The shock of cold water can trigger a release of endorphins, resulting in increased alertness, focus, and mental clarity. Stress relief. Taking a plunge in a cold tub can act as a natural stress reliever. The cold water stimulates the release of neurotransmitters that help improve your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. How to incorporate cold plunge tubs into your routine. Start slow. If you're new to cold plunge therapy, start with shorter exposures and gradually increase the time as your body acclimates to the cold temperature. Stay consistent. For maximum benefits, consistency is key. Try to incorporate cold plunge sessions into your routine on a regular basis to experience the full range of advantages. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to cold water immersion. If you experience any discomfort or adverse effects, adjust the temperature or duration of your sessions accordingly. In conclusion, adding cold plunge tubs to your health and wellness routine can offer a host of benefits for both your physical and mental well-being. Whether you're looking to improve muscle recovery, boost performance, or enhance overall health, cold water therapy may be a valuable addition to your lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.